A night of celebration turned into horror in Odisha's Dhenkanal district as a wedding procession ended in tragedy. At Kuangasahi village under Tumusingha police limits, 6 people suffered an electric shock when a DJ vehicle reportedly came in contact with a high-tension wire. The incident occurred on Saturday night during a joyous procession. Eyewitnesses say the crowd was dancing near the DJ truck when it brushed against a live wire, sending a powerful electric current through the system. Several revelers collapsed instantly. At 6 victims were rushed to Anla Bereni Community Health Center. One of them, in critical condition, was referred to Dhenkanal District Headquarters Hospital, but doctors declared him brought dead. The remaining 5 continue to receive treatment and are reportedly in serious condition. Authorities suspect negligence in managing electric lines near public events. What was meant to be a night of joy now casts a shadow of grief over the village as one family mourns amid shattered celebrations. An investigation is underway to find out how such a tragedy unfolded and if it could have been prevented.